How to turn off active status on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the Bitmoji option given at the top left corner. Once you're in the profile page, now click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Different sections will appear. Scroll down. Under Privacy Controls, you'll find the option of Activity Indicator. Click on that option. Now disable for the option of Activity Indicator. With this, you have just disabled active status on Snapchat. Now people won't be notified even though you are online. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.